Hello everyone, my name is Shannon. How do I prepare for the TOEFL IBT test? Many of you may run into this question as you prepare for it. This is a very good question because as you prepare for it, you need to be very familiarized with the content and you also need a very high level of comprehension of English to do well in this test. Let's go on with the first part, the reading section. In this test, it will test you on your ability to read, to analyze, and to comprehend articles that are similar in content that you see in universities, colleges, or other educational institutions in the United States. Okay now, so let's move on to the listening section. In this test, your listening skill is the key to excel in this part. How do you prepare for it? First of all, you need to familiarize yourself with multiple sources and also different accents. And also, you need to be able to grasp the main idea and listen to signals that are given to by the speaker. Alright, let's move to the speaking section right now. In this test, it tests your ability to communicate in English orally. You need to be able to prove that you're able to speak efficiently in the following requirements. First of all, deliver adequate responses to your questions. Second of all, state clearly of your opinion regarding of the questions that are asked. Thirdly, summarize and orally reproduce the information that you have read or heard in the test. Okay, so let's move on to the last part, the writing section. In this section, you will be tested on your ability to write in academic English. How do you prepare for it? First of all, practice writing on a keyboard. Because in the test, you will not be asked to write on a piece of paper. Instead, you will be asked to type. So, typing is very important. Secondly, build your own vocabulary system. Try to include your new words in speaking and writing on a daily basis. Thirdly, remember well the essay structure because this is very important in academic writing. It determines your points and it determines your ability to write very well in an academic setting. Also, give yourself some time to plan an outline. The outline will help you to save time and trouble, and it also helps you to brainstorm effectively. Another very important skill to mention is the note-taking skill. It is very important because throughout the test, you need to be able to practice your skill. There are 3 things that you need to consider. First of all, the speaker decides the speed of the article, so you have to be able to write as fast as possible. Secondly, in your notes, you need to be able to include all the main ideas and facts so then you can identify what is important for you to put into your essay or your speech. Thirdly, your notes has to be useful because it helps you to remember what you have just read or what you have just heard to. And also, when you need to add more information into your essay or your speech, your notes would be the source that you would resort to. Last but not least, preparing for the TOEFL exam may be a very stressful experience for you, but don't worry about it. As long as you practice it every day on a daily basis, I'm sure during the test you will do fine. So, thank you very much for listening today. I hope the skills and the tips that I mentioned earlier will help you a lot.